970 kilometers on a single charge and tank. That number just killed range anxiety. This is the Leapmotor C10 REEV, and it might be the smartest answer to a question nobody asked correctly. Everyone keeps debating pure electric versus hybrid. Leapmotor just built something different entirely. The exterior won't stop traffic. Clean lines, flush door handles, connected LED lights front and rear. It looks like a premium European SUV that costs twice as much. 20-inch wheels, raised bonnet line, that confident stance you expect from something serious. But design isn't the story here. Open the hood. This is where it gets interesting. You get a 1.5-liter gasoline engine under there, but here's the twist. It never touches the wheels. This isn't a hybrid. This is a range extender electric vehicle. The engine exists purely to charge a 28.4 kilowatt-hour battery. That battery powers a 215 horsepower electric motor driving the rear wheels. 145 kilometers of pure electric range for your daily commute. Zero tailpipe emissions when you're running errands, dropping kids at school, driving to work. Then the genius kicks in. Battery drops low, that 1.5-liter generator fires up at optimal RPM. It charges while you drive. The result is 970 kilometers total range. You drive like an EV, you feel like an EV, but you never worry about finding a charger on a road trip. The system delivers this with 10 grams per kilometer CO2 emissions. 65 kilowatt DC fast charging gets you from 30 to 80% in 18 minutes. Or plug in overnight with the 6.6 kilowatt AC charger. Step inside. This cabin punches way above its price point. A 14.6-inch touchscreen dominates the dashboard, paired with a 10.25-inch digital instrument cluster. Everything responds quickly. Everything looks premium. 12-speaker sound system with 840 watts of power, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, massive 2.1 square meter panoramic sunroof, dual-zone climate control. The rear seats offer serious space. Adults fit comfortably back there with legroom to spare. 26 storage compartments throughout the cabin. 546 liters of boot space with the seats up. Fold them down, you get 1,375 liters. The tech package includes 17 advanced driver assistance features, 5-star Euro NCAP safety rating, wireless phone charging, electric tailgate. Over-the-air updates keep the software current without visiting a dealer. 0 to 100 takes 8.5 seconds. Not blistering, but perfectly adequate for a family SUV. The ride stays comfortable around town, though it gets a bit fidgety at highway speeds. Steering is light for city maneuvering, responsive enough for spirited driving when you want it. 4 hybrid modes let you control how the system manages battery and generator. EV Plus keeps you electric until empty. Power Plus runs the generator constantly for maximum performance. You choose based on your driving situation. The range extender stays remarkably quiet when it kicks in. You'll hear it working, but it never intrudes like a traditional engine. The driving experience stays electric, stays smooth, stays refined. Now here's the number that matters. 37,400 euros. For a family SUV with nearly 1,000 kilometers of range, premium tech, serious space, and electric driving for your daily routine. That undercuts the Volkswagen ID.4, the Hyundai Ioniq 5, the Tesla Model Y. It costs less than most plug-in hybrids while delivering more electric range and total capability. Leapmotor just proved Chinese engineering can challenge European brands where it counts most: range, technology, value. The C10 REEV delivers all three without compromise. Stay tuned, because next week we're testing another Chinese challenger that nobody saw coming. Hit subscribe if you want to see which European favorite just got disrupted. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.